Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return without a bank account. First, gather all your income documents, like W-2s or Form 1099, and any deduction records. Next, choose your filing method, either paper filing or using an authorized e-file provider. Remember, you can still pay taxes or receive refunds securely without a traditional bank. We'll cover each step to ensure a smooth process for you. To begin, ensure you have all your income statements ready. This includes W-2 forms from employers and Form 1099s for other income sources. Don't forget to gather documents for any deductions or credits you might claim, like student loan interest or child care expenses. Once organized, you can choose to mail a paper return or use an IRS-approved e-file service, many of which offer free options. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful content. On another note, why not bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker? It's perfect for playing music, setting reminders, or even getting tax tips. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. If you owe taxes, several options exist without a bank account. You can purchase a money order or cashier's check from a post office or grocery store, then mail it with your return. Another method is paying cash at IRS retail partners, which is convenient for many. Some third-party processors also allow payments via prepaid debit cards, offering an electronic solution for your tax bill. For those expecting a refund, you have secure choices. The simplest is often a paper check, mailed directly to your home address. Alternatively, you can have your refund directly deposited onto a prepaid debit card, which functions much like a bank account for receiving funds. Some tax preparation services also offer options to receive your refund through their system, providing another convenient avenue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.